Thank you. Our game commissioner for the 14th ASEAN School Games 2025 for basketball tournament is Mr. Ong Bung Piao. Now let's welcome our hardworking officials for this match. Crew chief is Mr. Chi Pan Tru from Vietnam. Umpire 1 is Mr. Randy Putra from Indonesia. Umpire 2 is Mr. Andy from Brunei Darussalam. Champion and the gold medalist title. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, we're about to watch the match between the Philippines and Malaysia. Now let's meet the two powerhouse teams who have fought their way to the final. Representing the Philippines in blue, player number 1, Aaron Boyd. Player number 2, Renee. Player number 11, Bryson Raphael. Player number 14, Aaron Joash. Number 17, Luis Ivan. Number 19, John Mark. Number 20,
Gamay siya pa?
Number 21, John Mark. Number 22, Jensen. Number 29, Lasky. Number 55, Matt Jerry. And number 71, Head coach for the Philippines team is Mr. Jess Evangelino. Assistant coach is Mr. Natarian Sensiyo. And on the opponent's side, ready to begin, Malaysia's team. Let's welcome player number 1, Brendan Cole. Player number 2, Mikael Wahid. Player number 3, Tang Jin Han. Player number 6, Hu Wei Min. Player number 7, Alvin Wu. On number 8, Sing Fon Pham. Number 9, Teng Kai Shen.
Dade. Oh, bus mo sa iya.
Chua Yang Jun on number 11. Lim Kwan Hit, number 12. Player number 14,
JJ lang, basketball.
Player number 13, Lee Kyung Yu. And number 77, Cameron Jeremy.
Lantaw ka basketball. Jerry May. Pangalan mo.
Before the match begins, we will be calling the prize of the players to get ready for the exclusive tokens. Head coach for Malaysia's team is Mr. Chua Kok Tian. Assistant coach is Mr. Ki Kok Weng. This is the exchange of tokens of appreciation between the two teams. A suggestion, friendship, respect, and unity in sport, and also both teams to get ready for group photo right after.
Sino yung maliit na? Balintin? Oh, Balintin. Balinting?